You call it normal. The system calls it profit. You wake up, you go to work. You come home with less than you left with. $52,000 a year. Sounds like something. Here's what it actually is. Rent, $1,400. Car, $380. Insurance, $220. Groceries, $400. Utilities, $180. Credit card minimum, $150. That's $2,730. Every single month, gone. Before you decide anything, subscribe for more videos. The 12th, you're at zero. You haven't bought anything extra. You haven't gone anywhere, you just existed. And it cost everything you had. You call it life, they call it a perfect system. You didn't choose this. You were built for it. At 18, they handed you a credit card, smiled when you signed. At 22, it was a loan, called it an investment in yourself. At 26, they said, you need debt to prove you deserve credit. Read that again. You need debt to prove you deserve debt. And no one told you what 29% APR actually does. So here it is, $3,000 on a card, minimum payments only, 11 years to clear it. $3,000, 11 years. You didn't fall into the trap. They built the trap, then handed you the application. Now watch how fast it compounds. Rent up $200 this year, salary up $150 a month. You lost $50 a month? Working harder? Then the car breaks. $900? You don't have $900. Nobody does. It goes on the card. $3,000 becomes $3,900. Same 29%. Minimum goes up. Room to breathe, gone. One bill. Not a mistake. Not a bad decision. One bill, and everything you built in 12 months is gone in a weekend. The math was never designed for you to win. That was the whole point. Let's talk about where your money actually goes. Your employer writes $52,000. You never see $52,000. The IRS takes $8,000 before you touch it. FICA takes $4,000 before you touch it. You take home $40,000, $12,000, extracted automatically, silently, before you make a single decision. Then your bank fall below $500, $12 maintenance fee for having too little money, overdraft by $8, $35 fee for being $8 short. JPMorgan Chase, $35 billion in fees last year, not investments. Fees from people like you, $35 at a time. Every month, Visa, MasterCard. They charge the store when you swipe. They charge you when you can't pay. Both ends, every transaction, whether you're fine or drowning. You are not their customer. You are what they monetize. This is not opinion. These are the numbers. Average credit card balance, $6,360. Average interest rate, 27%. Annual interest paid, $1,700. Not reducing debt, just interest. $1,700 to stay exactly where you are. After 2008, when families lost their homes, BlackRock and Vanguard moved in, bought those same homes, rented them back to the same people they displaced. Jamie Dimon, $36 million in 2023, running the bank that charged overdraft fees to people who were $8 short at lunch. You paid for that, $35 at a time, every time you were almost okay, but not quite. Here's the truth that doesn't leave you. You were never meant to get ahead. Getting ahead was never part of their model. Their model is this: keep you earning just enough to keep spending, keep you spending just enough to keep borrowing, keep you borrowing just enough to keep paying interest. Not for a year, not for a decade, forever. You weren't irresponsible. You weren't bad with money. You were inserted into a machine built decades before you were born and told, the machine is just how things are. Your parents ran the same loop. Their parents ran it before them. Each generation went in a deeper. Each generation came out shorter. And every time someone almost figured it out, they got told, this is just how life works. It's not how life works. It's how extraction works. There's a difference. They need you not to see it. Right now, not someday, right now. You are paying interest while you sleep, while you work, while you watch this. The clock doesn't pause. The balance doesn't wait. The bank doesn't care that you're tired. Right now, a bank is reporting record earnings. Right now, an executive is collecting a bonus built into the interest rate on your card. Right now, a fund owns your street, deciding next year's rent increase from an office you'll never see. And you're sitting there, doing the math on $52,000, trying to find the number that makes it work. It doesn't work. It was never supposed to work. The gap between what you make and what everything costs is not an accident. It's a margin. Their margin, built on your shortfall. You call it your financial situation. They call it a revenue stream. You were taught that owing money is just life. Now you know who taught you. Now you know what it cost them to make you believe it. Nothing. It cost them nothing. And it cost you everything.